Well, good afternoon. Welcome to a very sunny West Shore in Llandudno, and we're here just to have a little look around, testing out the new GoPro. So we'll have a little wander down here, have a look at the new boat that's been planted by the Friends of West Shore. How beautiful is that? Very beautiful. And tribute there to the, I'll move my shadow out of the way, tribute there to Ukraine obviously at the end there. Jess! Come on! Don't know where she's rushing off to. She's very independent today, aren't you? That's the Orme up there ahead of us. I know what Jess is up to. I think I know what she wants to do. So we might just turn the camera off for a minute or two. There we are. Lovely bit of beach today on West Shore. Jess has run ahead of me here and she's all ready for me to throw a ball for her. I think tide's coming in. Bit of a sandbank there. The walrus and the carpenter rocks out there. It's like soft on over there, that sand. Found a few bits of driftwood today. I need a nice flat piece to put at the top, and then we can make nice wall hanging coming down from it. Beautiful day. No coats on today. Very hazy out there. I can barely see Anglesey. People having paddles. I don't know whether Jess would be keen to go in the water or not. Come on, Jess. Let's see if you want to swim. Come on. You going in? You going in the water? Hey? Are you going in? Is that it? You going in? She's not a huge swimmer. She can swim. Generally when she's on her own, she's not really interested. Are you going in? Come on then. Go and get it. I've got my trainers on, I don't want to get wet feet. I'm going to walk up here because I don't want to get wet feet there. Come on this way. Sorry, just having a wee there. Don't know what this GoPro be like with the wind. I haven't tested it in a windy day, on a windy day. Today will be our test. See what it's like. I was going to go over to Conway to the estuary today, but I need to go down to town to get a prescription, so decided not to. And then tomorrow, ooh, nice. Yeah, tomorrow's Mother's Day. I'm going out for dinner, so that'll be nice. Had a lovely walk the other day, but I wasn't on my own, so I didn't take the GoPro. I suspect that's... Oh, I've got some behind me, so I suspect that's strip pipe, rounded. Not sure, but I'm sure that's what it could be. Not much to spot really here. I'm not a huge fan of picking up bits in all this edge of the seashore. But I'm okay with this area. So there's a nice twig. So I've got 4 now, 2, 4, 5 now. Jess! She's hiding. Spot Jess. Can you spot her? Jess! She is. She's hiding behind the tall grass. So that's the sort of thing I want. A piece like that, but obviously that's burnt, so I don't want that. Just wait for a ball. And there's the Alice little house. And we'll stop there. So I'll doing this onto another bit of video later.